Down here, y'all, we love our nuts, especially pecans and peanuts. I mean, Georgia, especially Southwest Georgia, it's the capital of peanuts. And also pecans. There's more pecan trees in Albany, Georgia than you can shake a stick at. And they're so delicious. But the pecans are so expensive. So expensive. But I love to have a bowl of them out for, just something to nosh on while people are having a drink, a cocktail or something. But like I said, they are expensive. So you don't want to fool with messing these up because they can burn very quickly. Nuts can burn very quickly. So this recipe is super simple. It's a roasted cinnamon pecan, and I'm going to need 2 tablespoons of white corn syrup. So I'm going to spray my teaspoon measure real good because it's just going to make that syrup come out a lot quicker and easier. See? Almost totally clean. This works well for peanut butter, anything that you're measuring that's sticky. Like if I was using a measuring cup, I'd just spray that measuring cup, and it's your friend. It really is your friend. All right, so we've got our corn syrup in there. Now I'm adding some melted butter. Some salt. Some cinnamon. Smells so good. And a couple of tablespoons of sugar. Now we're just going to stir that up real good. I think my favorite nut is just the totally savory pecan because this one is a little sweet and it's perfect if you're looking for a little sweet taste. But I love them just roasted with salt. They're so good. All right, so I've got 1 pound of pecan halves. So I'm just going to stir those and try to get every nut coated. Okay, those look pretty coated, don't they, Eddie?
I see a shine.
You see a shine? Okay, well, we're going in. Well, there's not much left down in that bowl. So we just want to spread these out into a single layer, y'all. And we're going to put them in a 250-degree oven. Actually, I'm going to put them in a 200-degree oven because, like I said, they will burn so quickly. And once they're burned, you just have to put them in the trash. There's nothing else you could do with them. No getting rid of that scorch taste for sure. All right, so we're going to cook these for an hour. We're going to bake them for an hour. And every 15 minutes, I'm going to go in there with a spatula and I'm going to stir them up, toss them around. I'm having house guests this weekend. We are going to be celebrating a couple of birthdays. Phil Green's birthday is on St. Patrick's Day. Sebring Curry's birthday is, maybe it's on the 7th. Can't remember. We're all getting old. But anyway, we're going to have a sleepover this weekend and celebrate birthdays. We're going to have a real tiny mini version of a class reunion. So these nuts are going to be just perfect to have out. So these will last easily if you protect them, seal them up good, they'll easily last for a couple of weeks. And they're not too sweet. They're not too salty. They're kind of just right with a cocktail. Love and best dishes.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.